Hi students, this is 9th Max, Chapter 4, Geometry. Exercise 4.5, question number 1. Construct the triangle LMN such that LM equal to 7.5 cm, MN equal to 5 cm and LN equal to 8 cm. Locate its centroid. What is centroid? Centroid is a point. The definition for centroid is the point of concurrency of medians of triangle is called centroid. Centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1 from the vertex of the triangle. There are three medians in a triangle. So now locate its centroid for the given triangle. First write the given measures. Given triangle is triangle LMN. LM is 7.5 centimeter, MN is 5 centimeter and LN is 8 centimeter. First draw rough diagram. Rough diagram is one triangle. Just draw one triangle. This triangle is LMN. Here LM is, this is LM, measure is 7.5 centimeter. MN is, here MN, that is 5 centimeter. LN is 8 centimeter. So now what is centroid? The point of concurrency of medians of the triangle. So what is median? Median is a line segment which connects a vertex of triangle to the midpoint of its opposite side. This is vertex of triangle. This is midpoint of this opposite side. Join this line the same way. This is vertex of triangle. This is opposite side for this vertex. This one is midpoint for this side. Now connect this point with the vertex of triangle. Centroid is denoted by letter G. So this point is G. Now fair diagram. First draw a line segment for measure 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. LM measure is 7.5 centimeter. Now take 8 centimeter in your compass as radius. Centimeter. Now L as center. Draw one arc for radius 8 centimeter. Now take 5 centimeter as radius in your compass. M as center with radius 5 centimeter. Draw one more arc which cuts the previous arc at N. This intersecting point is N. Now join LN and MN. So what's your first step for construction of centroid? First draw a triangle for the given measures. Now find the midpoint of side LM. For that draw perpendicular bisector. Draw perpendicular bisector for any two sides of the triangle. Take this side and this side. Now construct perpendicular bisector. For that take more than half of this side as radius in your compass. This point is center. Draw this like arcs with the same radius M as center, draw this like arc. Now join this intersecting points by dotted line. So this one is midpoint of LM. That is P. Now draw perpendicular bisector for this side of the triangle. Further, take more than half of this side as radius in your compass. M as center. With the same radius, N as center, draw this like arcs. Now join this intersecting points by dotted line. So this is midpoint of side MN. This point is Q. This is midpoint of LM. P is midpoint of LM. Q is midpoint of MN. Now join this P, this midpoint with this vertex of the triangle by a straight line. This is median. This line is, now NP is median. Now join this Q with L. This is another median. The point of concurrency of these two median is centroid, denoted by letter G. Now from exercise 4.5, question number 2. Draw and locate the centroid of the triangle ABC where right angle at A. AB equal to 4 cm and AC is equal to 3 cm. First write the given measures. Triangle ABC, right angle at A. So angle A equal to 90 degree. That is meaning for right angle at A. Next, AB is equal to 4 cm. AC is equal to 3 cm. We should need minimum 3 measures for construction of triangle. Draw rough diagram. Draw one triangle. Here A, B, C. Given one is right angle at A. Here only vertex A. That angle is 90 degree. That is given. AB equal to 4 cm. This one is AB. That side is 4 cm. Then AC. Here AC. That is 3 cm. Locate roughly. This is midpoint of AB. This is midpoint of BC. Now join this midpoint with A. This midpoint with C. This point is G. Always centroid is denoted by letter G. Now fair diagram. Draw baseline AB equal to 4 cm. AB equal to 4 cm. This is A, B, 4 cm. At A, take 90 degree in our protractor. This is 90 degree. Now join this point with vertex A. Extend this ray. This is X. This angle is 90 degree. Now here 3 centimeter. AC side is 3 centimeter. So take 3 centimeters radius in our compass. A is center. Draw one arc along this ray AX, which cuts at C. This point is, this arc intersect the ray AX at C. Now join this C with B. Now ABC is our required right angle triangle. Now construct perpendicular bisector for side AB and BC. For that, take more than half of this side as radius in our compass. Draw one arc, here one arc with the same radius, B as center. Draw this like arcs. Now join this intersecting points by dotted line. So this is midpoint of AB. That point is P. Now construct perpendicular bisector for side BC. For that, take more than half of radius. Draw here one arc. Here one arc. With the same radius, C as center. Draw this like arcs. Now join this intersecting points by dotted line. This point is Q. This is midpoint of P is midpoint of AB. Q is midpoint of BC. Now join this P, this midpoint with vertex C by straight line. Now join this midpoint with vertex E. This is centroid. This intersecting point is centroid. CP is median. AQ is another median. That intersecting point is centroid. That is denoted by letter G. Now, question number 3 from exercise 4.5. Draw the triangle ABC where AB equal to 6 cm and the angle B equal to 110 degree and AC is equal to 9 cm and construct the centroid. First write the given measures. Triangle is ABC. Side AB is 6 cm. Angle B is 110 degree. Side AC is 9 cm. Draw rough diagram. This is triangle ABC. Then AB, side AB is 6 cm, that is given. Angle B, here only vertex B, that angle is 110 degree, that is obtuse angle. Side AC, here only AC, that measure is 9 cm. By using these three measure, draw one triangle. So first draw this baseline AB equal to 6 cm. AB equal to 6 cm. This is A, this is B, 6 cm. Now at B construct angle 110 degree, that is obtuse angle. So mark that angle carefully. So locate a protractor at B. This side you should count from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, etc. up to 110. Here only 110. Now join this point with vertex B. Draw a ray. This is X. This angle is 110 degree. Now third measure is 9 centimeter. AC is 9 centimeter. Take 9 centimeter as radius in your compass. A as center. Construct an arc. Draw an arc along ray BX, which cuts the ray at C. This is third vertex of triangle. Now join the C with A. ABC is our required triangle. Now construct perpendicular bisector for any two sides of the triangle. For that, take more than half of this side as radius in our compass. Draw this like arcs with the same radius B as center. Draw one more arcs. Now join these intersecting points by dotted lines. This is midpoint of AB, denoted by letter P. For this side BC, take more than half in our compass as radius. Draw this like arcs with the same radius C as center. Now join these intersecting points by dotted line. Now this is midpoint of BC, denoted by letter Q. P is midpoint of AB, Q is midpoint of BC. Now join this midpoint with vertex of triangle C. C is vertex of triangle and P is midpoint of its opposite side. So this line is median. Here also draw median. Connect AQ. Now this intersecting point is G. Now question number, this is G is our required centroid. Question number 4 is homework. Construct triangle PQR such that PQ equal to 5 cm, PR equal to, construct triangle PQR. PQ is equal to 5 cm, PR equal to 6 cm and QPR. Angle QPR is 60 degree. These are given measures. For these measures, draw one triangle, then locate centroid. For this, PQ as baseline, and then at P, here QPR, angle QPR is given. Here the vertex angle place is P only. This middle vertex only our angle place. So keep a protector at P. Then take angle 60 degree, draw one ray, then continue the process. Thank you students.